Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Gas prices are to rise this week. Petrojam says both grades of the fuel will increase by 94 cents. The price of regular diesel will fall 31 cents, while low sulfur diesel declines 10 cents. Kerosene will cost 2 cents more. Propane cooking gas is down 4 cents, while butane increases by $1.88. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $129.15. The Canadian dollar is going for $97.42. The pound sterling costs $161.75, while the euro sells for $145.10. The JSE index lost 752 points today, while the junior market index is down by 10 points. Among the winners were Barita Investments, Dolphin Cove, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers, KLE Group, Kingston Wharves, Main Event Entertainment, NCB Financial, and Panjam Investment. Now on the losing side were AMG Packaging and Paper, Berger Paints, Carib Cement, Derrimon Trading, Elite Diagnostic, G West Corporation, Indies Pharma, and Jamaica Stock Exchange. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.